Can you really save $10,000 a month on a $30,000 salary? Absolutely. Many think it's impossible, but with the right plan, it's easier than you think. Hi, I'm Spidey Educates. Today, I'm going to show you how to save a third of your income every month without sacrificing your lifestyle. If you find this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. The first step is budgeting, the foundation of savings. Let's break it down with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs $15,000, rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants $9,000, entertainment, dining out. 20% for savings $6,000, investments, emergency fund. But here's the tweak to save $10,000. Reduce wants to $5,000. Save the extra $4,000. Pro tip, use free budgeting apps like Good Budget or Splitwise to plan and track your spending. Next, let's tackle fixed expenses, your big monthly costs, rent. Move to a shared accommodation to save up to $5,000 a month. Negotiate with your landlord if you're renewing your lease. Groceries, switch to local markets instead of supermarkets. Use cashbacks and discounts on apps like Swiggy Instamart or Big Basket. Remember, small changes here can free up a significant chunk of your income. You can't save what you don't track. Here's how you can track your spending effectively. Track every rupee. Use apps like Walnut or Money Manager. Analyze your habits. Check where you overspend. Food delivery, online shopping, etc. Set limits. For example, cap your dining out budget at $1,000 per month. Tracking your money helps you make smarter decisions. Imagine finding $2,000 you didn't realize you were wasting. Now let's optimize your daily spending. Cook at home. Save $3,000–$4,000 monthly by reducing food delivery. Commute smarter. Use public transport or carpool instead of cabs. Cut subscriptions. Do you really need Netflix, Spotify, and Prime all at once? Keep one and pause the others. The secret to consistent savings is automation. Set up auto debits. Automatically transfer $10,000 to a savings account or mutual fund on payday. Use separate accounts. Keep your savings in a separate bank account to avoid temptation. Start investing. Even small investments in SIPs or PPF can grow over time. This way, you pay yourself first and adjust your spending with what's left. To recap, here's how you can save $10,000 on a $30,000 salary. Budget with the 50-30-20 rule. Cut fixed expenses. Track your spending. Save on daily habits. Automate your savings. Now it's your turn. Which tip will you start with? Comment below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to Spidey Educates for more practical money hacks. See you in the next one.